all I'm doing today is starting some seeds, which is exciting for me because I'm actually starting some seeds. I feel good about the weather. The next 10 days is actually going to be nice and warm. You don't just look for the day temperatures, you look at the night temperatures too. You want those to be warm. And for me, I personally would like something that's mid 40s or higher. For me personally, that's what I like. Okay, so what am I starting? What seeds am I starting? Sunflowers, some cosmos, nasturtium. And I also have these sunflowers. I always look at the back of these to see when I'm supposed to be planting them. I like that little feature up there because for new gardeners like myself, we need that. We need that information. I think those are going to be so pretty in the garden. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna give sunflower a for sale, Cosmo a for sale, and then these sunflowers, I'm just gonna do 2 of them, and that works out perfect. And this is the natural and organic seed starting mix, so that's what I'm using. Ooh, why do I feel like there's something on me? Mm-mm. Uh, level that down. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I know we get messy, but I like to clear my area up a little bit. Let me see. Make sure I line it up. And because I have faith in myself, I'm only going to put 1 in each cell. And it's saying 1 inch deep. So let me see. I'm trying to read the instructions this time. It said 1 inch deep. So boom. I might put more than 1 in each cell. But for this one, they're like big. I'm actually excited to grow these because people were saying how like they can pickle the actual seed themselves and make something like capers. They sure don't give you a lot, but they look like this. Like, how cool is that? That. Let me read the instructions and see what it says. Okay, I need to do these a 1/2 inch. And because they're smaller, I'm about to put a sprinkle in each cell. All right, you see how that is? So let me see how far they say. 1/8 of an inch. Plant it right there. And I'm just gonna do a sprinkle in there. I'm putting a little, maybe like three or four sprinkles in there. Mm, okay. Okay, it says 1 inch. Make sure I get a nice one. Hopefully they germinate. You want to cover it like that. And that's all we're doing today. I'm going to put them inside here. I'm going to water them down and be done. I'm just going to water them in. That's that. They're ready to go.